Are you tired of trying to cook meals only to be left with a sink full of pots and pans that need to soak for all eternity?
And have you wondered if an air fryer could actually be the only appliance you need for cooking a full meal all at once, while also saving space on your countertop?
Well, in this video, we'll be putting the Cosori Turbo Tower Pro to the test and finding out the answer.
Let's get into it.
Alright, now it is worth mentioning that Cosori kindly gifted us this air fryer for us to review and test today, but all of our thoughts, opinions and everything we're covering today's video are our own. But let's stop waffling and get the box open. Oh ho ho ho, here we go, exciting. Quick start guide, Turbo Tower Pro Smart, manual. Normally I throw the manual away, but I think I'm going to keep that close by. And oh wow. So this is a cardboard little fold out, and in here we've got basically the instructions. Cooking with one basket, cooking with two baskets. So we've got the 3-layer cooking, so obviously that's referring to the 2 drawers as well as the crisping rack. Kind of scroll over to this side and we've got a little shortcut sheet. This basically gives you a breakdown of all of the controls that we've got on there, the different functions from air fry to proofing, all the different things we can cook from poultry to beef to pork to seafood to things like French fries, what function you should put them on, the temperature, and again the temperature and the time for the weight of what you're cooking. So that's quite helpful. I think that's going to come in very handy. And then on the other side is just again frozen food, vegetables, baked goods, so very helpful. And there's also a little QR code which I believe from looking at this possibly takes you to the V-Sync app, which again we're going to look into in today's video. Let's lift it out of the box. Oh my god, I don't think I can. I'm just going to have to go barbarian on it, I think. Hey! So there it is. Very smart. I'm liking the look of it already. Obviously there's a couple of stickers on here like you get with a lot of appliances. Sticker up here says, for a better experience, please do a test run of your air fryer in both zone 1 and zone 2 at 195 Celsius for 10 minutes. I'm guessing just put it on, nothing in there to get rid of any dodgy stuff. So let's get rid of that sticker, which is going to reveal the little touchscreen panel. So once we power that on, we will soon see what the controls look like. There's also some stickers on the side, more stickers on the other side. Dual blaze, DC motor technology, it's got sync and match, smart connectivity, 7 functions, fully ceramic coated plate and crisper plate, and it's 32% slimmer than the side-by-side air fryer that they do. So again, we're gonna keep going and look more into this. Right. Let's look at the drawers first. I'm intrigued. Not too bad size. Have a look at that. Yeah, they're very, I mean, let me see if the other one's the same, but that top one looks very kind of small footprint. Oh, okay. I think this one might be the larger one. So this is the bottom one. We've got some goodies in there. I'm guessing that's the crisper rack. More cardboard. We love cardboard on this channel. We love cardboard. Yeah, roasting rack. Sorry, not crisping rack, it's a roasting rack. And this is used for when you want to do your 3 layers of cooking. So I'm guessing you'd put your vegetables at the bottom and then put your rack in there and your proteins will go on the top. I was a bit shocked at first when I looked at the top tray because, I mean, if I put them side by side, you can see the difference. So when I first took the top one out, I was like, oh, there's no way this is a 10.8 litre air fryer, but now when you take the bottom one out, it makes sense. So when you turn it on, it's got 1, 2, obviously drawer 1, drawer 2, and then there's a little button there that says match. Now I don't know too much about it yet because we've only just unboxed it, but I'm assuming match is where you want to have both of your 2 drawers cook and finish at the same time. Let's press 1. We're just saying we want to cook in drawer 1 and it's bringing up all of the functions here. We've got the temp, we've got the time, we've got sync, we've got pause, we've got resume. So the 7 functions that we've got: air fry, roast, bake, grill, reheat, dry and proofing. So for all you bread makers out there, this is going to be a good one for you. So I think we've spoken about it enough. Let's see what it can do with some real food. Now before we do that, we need to do our test run. So we've put it on match, we're going to press start and we're going to let it do its test run for 10 minutes and then after that we can start cooking.
Now, during the test run for the air fryer, we went ahead and downloaded the VSync app onto our phones. All you need to do is very simple, download the app from the App Store, and then you need to create an account and link your air fryer via Wi-Fi. Once you've done that, the app will allow you to control a variety of things such as the cooking time, the functions, and it will also give you a lot of information regarding different types of foods that you want to cook and how long to cook them for based on their weight. So the first test is going to be, we've got some veg for the top drawer, and then for the bottom we've got some more veg, potato, and some chicken. The carrots have got a bit of oil, as well as salt, pepper, and a little drizzle of hot honey. For the potatoes, we've gone very simple, a bit of oil, salt and pepper. For the chicken, we've used a bit of oil, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika and garlic. Now what we're going to do is add the carrots to the top drawer. So I'm going to take that out. So the reason we've gone ahead and seasoned everything before adding it to the air fryer is because we don't want the additional seasoning to burn onto the basket. So I'm going to add my carrots to the top drawer of the air fryer, and then I'll quickly pop that back in. Now I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients to the bottom drawer. So at the very bottom, I'll be adding the potatoes. So in they go. Now I'm going to add the rack, the stainless steel rack. And now hopefully I'll be able to fit my chicken thighs. These ones have got the bone in and the skin on as well. So I'll be putting them in with the skin facing upwards because I'd like the skin to get a bit crispier. Now, just to quickly mention, because the coating of the drawers is ceramic, you will need to make sure you use utensils that have got silicone or wood. The second drawer is going to go in. This is a bit heavy now. The top drawer, we're going to select roast, and then it's already coming up as 220 and 12 minutes, which is correct. Now for zone 2, we've got air fry this time, and we need the temperature to be at 200, so I'll go up a little bit, and we need the time to be 24 minutes. And now we're going to press sync and then start. Okay, we are done cooking. Let's have a look at the result. Start with the first drawer, we've got the carrots. So the carrots are looking quite nice. Nothing's burnt. They don't feel too squishy, which is good. Bottom drawer, ooh, oh, that is sizzling. Now let's quickly temp the chicken to make sure it is where it needs to be. So we're looking for 74 Celsius. Yeah, we're going to 84 on this one. More than safe range here. The skin is really crispy on them. Yep, the skin is getting really nice and crispy, if you can hear that. So the chicken is looking very good. So I'll pop down the plate so we can have a look at the potatoes. And now the potatoes, they're looking really good. I'm quite surprised. I'm seeing a lot of brown and they're looking quite crispy, but not burnt, that's for sure. That is very impressive. I'm going to quickly plate everything up and then we'll give it a taste test. Now we've got everything plated up after using the 3-tier cooking system of the Cosori Turbo Tower Pro for the first time. We are quite impressed by the looks of things, but we need to give it a quick taste test. Chicken looks a little bit dark at first, but is not burnt. Oh wow, that is very juicy. It is the seasoning that got a little bit darker on the outside, but that is very juicy chicken. I don't know if you can see all of the juices coming out of that. I have a little bit of carrot, have like an all-in-one bite. That is lovely. The chicken literally falls apart, and the potatoes, they're really crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. I think I'm gonna actually have a little bit of potato just on its own. They are really nice, and I think having the chicken right above the potatoes really helps because you get some of that rendered fat covering the potatoes, giving them a little bit of extra flavour. The amount of time it takes to get a full meal out, impressed. Now we've seen how it does on the roast and air fry function. We're going to carry out testing the rest of the functions of this machine and we'll come back with some more results.
Now, the Turbo Tower boasts a whopping 10.8 litre capacity, so the first question we asked ourselves was, how much can we fit in at once?
We thought we'd see if the Cosori can handle roasting a whole chicken as well as some potatoes. Now, Cosori recommend using a whole chicken that weighs approximately 2.3 kilograms on top of the crisper plate. However, we already had a whole chicken in the fridge and ours happened to weigh 2.4 kilos.
Now, we did have to remove the crisper plate, but it actually managed to fit in quite nicely. However, the next problem was knowing how long to cook everything for.
That's where the VSync app came to the rescue. Using the cooking chart, you can put in precisely what you're cooking, how much it weighs, and the app will let you know what temp to cook it at and how long for.
We also utilised the sync feature, which allows the two foods in both baskets to finish cooking at the same time.
Then all you need to do is press start on the Turbo Tower Pro and get back to watching Netflix.
Once it's done, you'll receive a notification from the app, and then it's time to see how it all turned out.
And I have to say the results were impressive. The roasted chicken was extremely juicy and tender, and the potatoes came out very nice as well.
So, cooking large meals and roasting, the Turbo Tower Pro's got that covered with ease. But what about all the other functions?
Well, over the course of the past couple of weeks, we've tested all the functions, and what really shocked us is truly how versatile this appliance is.
The grill function is perfect for cooking thin cuts of meat like bacon and sausages, which came in really handy for a nice tasty breakfast.
And the multi-layered cooking system made cooking a full English breakfast a piece of cake, with hash browns baking on the top drawer and our bacon and sausage patties crisping up in the bottom drawer.
Now, before you crucify me for this next one, this was purely experimental, but alas, I was curious to try it, and that was cooking steak in the Turbo Tower.
So again, using the VSync app, it allowed us to find the cut of steak we were cooking, how we wanted it cooked, and the weight of the meat.
And to be honest, I'd say it's actually done a half decent job. But will it make me want to cook my steak in the air fryer from now on? Probably not, but needless to say, the option is there.
Now, here's a scenario. You finish work late, you have nothing in the fridge, and you need a quick meal. Or perhaps you're in a rush and your kids are hungry.
So you opt for the quick and easy frozen food, but you need to preheat the oven first, which isn't exactly quick.
That's where the Turbo Tower Pro comes into play. No need to preheat, just throw your nuggets and frozen fries in the basket and let it handle the rest.
Hot, crispy, and done in no time at all.
Now, what about baking? Well, the Turbo Tower Pro makes it look easy.
From baking frozen croissants to homemade sourdough, as well as cakes, and as mentioned before, even hash browns.
And the reheat function, while this may not be the most used function for everyone, it comes in really handy for heating up leftover pizza and even scones.
And dare we say, the pizza tastes even better the day after when you use this function.
Then we come to the last two functions, proofing and drying. Now, we didn't get to use these functions extensively, but we did give them a go.
We really wanted to bake some mini cinnamon rolls, so we got some dough and used the proof function to, well, prove it.
We had it on for around 90 minutes at 35 degrees, and this allowed us to then stretch the dough and shape the rolls before baking.
Then for the drying, now I have to say this is probably going to be the least used function on the Cosori, at least for us anyway.
But we did give it a go and place some sliced apples in there to dry for 3 hours at 55 degrees Celsius. And well, it certainly dried them. Now let's have a look at the overall specs, design and dimensions of the Turbo Tower Pro.
Not only does this air fryer look good on your countertop, but it also saves you a lot of space.
With a vertical tower-based design and 3-layered cooking system, it combines everything you'd want from a smart air fryer into a neat, compact design.
Measuring in at 41 centimeters long, 30 centimeters wide and 40.5 centimeters tall, and weighing around 9.6 kilos.
It has over 2,600 watts of power, a temperature range of 30 to 230 degrees Celsius, and you can cook from 1 minute all the way up to 24 hours.
It boasts an overall capacity of a whopping 10.8 litres, with 4.3 litres in the top basket and 6.5 litres in the bottom basket.
It also has 100% ceramic coated, PFA free and dishwasher safe baskets and crisper plates,
which not only allow your food to slide off with ease because there's no sticking, but it also makes washing them up in the sink way less of a chore.
Then there's the dual blaze heating system on the bottom basket with not just one heating element but two, top and bottom.
Combined with the high-speed, super quiet DC motor, it ensures that your food comes out evenly cooked with a golden finish every single time.
So, can the Cosori Turbo Tower Pro truly be the only appliance you need to cook a full meal from start to finish? Well, yes.
As we've seen so far, this appliance really pushes the boat out and raises the bar for what we'd expect to see from an air fryer.
With a 10.8 litres capacity and the 3-layer cooking, no meal is off limits.
Whether you're roasting a whole chicken or cooking a full English breakfast, the Cosori makes this a walk in the park.
And I mean, can you imagine the cleanup after cooking a roast chicken or a full English?
Well, with the ceramic coated baskets and plates, there is no stress, no overnight soaking, just an easy, simple cleanup.
And for those of you that hate standing around and constantly stirring and checking up on your food, well, with the VSync app, all you have to do is put your food in, press play, and simply come back when it tells you it's ready.
But what about the price? Now, at almost £300, this is certainly on the expensive side when it comes to cooking appliances.
However, at the time of this upload, the Cosori Turbo Tower Pro is currently £241.99 as part of Amazon Prime Day.
So if you're looking to pick one of these amazing air fryers up, check out the link in the description.
We'd like to thank Cosori for sending us the Turbo Tower Pro to review. We've had a blast putting it to the test, and it's already earned its spot on our worktop.
If you've enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos just like this one, please feel free to leave us a comment down below. We love hearing from you.
That's all for now. Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you again in the next one.